I'm going to start filming again.
All these things when you're an investigator.
All that health and safety.
Do you just call him Dad and then Liam?
Dan and.
Oh,
Whoa, so, okay, that is definitely.
King!
Right.
Oh my God! Grab another tissue.
Okay.
Grab another tissue.
What we'll do? No,
Because it's going to hit that and explode again.
I would say you should need to put that in the middle of the table in case it spurts.
No, I like it. I like it getting me.
Right, because we've got quite a lot of vinegar in there. I'll do this bit. Okay.
Keep it light.
Yeah, I'll put a little bit of red in there.
Back to cheese rambler for mince pies and
King, goggles.
halfway through the route, and we had to leave because it was just so
Because
cold.
Oi!
there is.
Your eyes aren't on your forehead, are they?
Okay.
Love light.
Rambling was better.
Let me look. I'm gonna do this.
No, because we had to keep stopping away.
Goggles on your head.
Can I make them a bit comfy?
No, they're goggles. You've got to get used to it.
Are you recording?
We're really going to have to pace ourselves here.
Right. Okay.
How much are you putting in?
Loads.
Do you need to use a funnel?
The funnel doesn't work. It blocks. Actually.
Good luck with that one, Anne.
Yeah, I know. They've got 2 funnels in it. Okay.
Poke it down with your finger.
You can poke it down with this.
Use the handle. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
That's a
Scrape it,
good
scrape it.
idea, Caden. You're such
Keenan.
a Keenan. Sorry, Kate.
Don't worry, Nanny calls me Cluchia, so.
I call them, yeah. Right.
That wasn't as much as we did last time.
Yeah, you know what? I think you're probably right. However,
Look, it's coming.
no, look at that.
That's much more redder.
I think that is actually going to be.
I think it's too late to put it on when it's out like this.
Yeah, careful because this is going to go up in a minute.
Yeah.
The pressure's building. You can tell. You can see.
We had
Careful,
exploding
careful,
film
careful,
cannons.
careful,
Aim.
It's going in a minute.
Oh, yay!
It's getting ready to blow.
Red. No, don't do that halfway through a video. It messes up. Shut. Don't do that halfway through a video. It messes up. Cool.
Cute, give me a mad scientist look. That was brilliant.
That was a good one. That best yet.
Is it still going?
Yeah.
The only downside is I think it may have.
Put a bit more in.
You can't put a bit more in. We have to clean it all out again now.
Okay, come then, Nan. Oh yeah, still got it. Wonder if you had a bit of Coca-Cola.
It probably wouldn't do anything.
It was. I want to get
Only if
really.
you put the Coca-Cola in there by itself and shake it a lot and then let go.
Fish and chip shop now, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, after
Yeah, we went
after dinner, we can do it again, can't we?